ली है 31,800 का पुट, जिसको हमने बाय किया है यहाँ पे 420 के आसपास। और अभी उसमें हम एंट्री करना चाह रहे थे, वो लेवल था 403 के करीब। एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि बैंक निफ्टी यहाँ से नीचे जो आ रहा है वो 31,700 के करीब अगर आता है तो हमें इसमें अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम देखने को मिलेगा। और आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे हमारा टारगेट अचीव हो चुका है और भी ऊपर की ओर मोमेंटम दिख रहा है। हमने ये ट्रेड क्यों लिया था उसको मैं बता दूं। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो 38.2 का लेवल है दैट इज 31,836, वहाँ से रिजेक्शन फेस करने के बाद बैंक निफ्टी नीचे की ओर आ रहा था। ऑलरेडी यहाँ से एक रिजेक्शन मिला, दूसरी बार मिला, तीसरी बार मिला, कम डाउन टू 31,700 levels. So here is the trade, how we have traded this. So you can see we bought it at 420.60. Actually we were about to buy it around 405 level, but eventually it went up. So we booked profit of 10 rupees. So here our investment value was how much, that I show you. $10,500. From that we have book profit of 235. So around 2.2% return we have got, and you can see from this level only it rejected and coming back. We may see the momentum here, and then we can see the fall, because till now it was trading in this channel only. Okay, so here also you can say that this was the false breakdown. If we see this in 1 hour chart, you can see that this is the support level at around 31,657, and today's low is 31,667. So around that only Bank Nifty has came down. So let's see how it is performing. You can say this is double bottom as well. So from here there is a chance that it can go up, but your buy levels are above 31,980. So you can say above 32,000 you can enter in this trade, which is the Fibonacci retracement level near 61.8, that is 31,935. If Bank Nifty is moving above that, you can see 32,100, 32,270 and 32,374 levels as well. If you are in a long position above this level for a stop loss of 31,820 below this area. So very good risk reward ratio can be found in this case, because in a 1 day time frame, if you see here, which pattern do you identify? Please write down in a comment quickly, and I will share you the options trading, scalp trading strategies in next coming videos. So that was our today's trade. Thank you so much for watching this video. Those who are interested to join technical analysis course, the link is given in the description. And those who are interested and do not have their trading and demat account, they can also avail their demat and trading account with us in ZERODHA. The link is given in description. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, here is the update. We were expecting it to reach this level 31,700, and it has achieved and came back to this channel's low, and it has taken support from here. Eventually it should come further down and achieve the low level as well, which is around this level. So I expect Bank Nifty to reach around 31,500 and 31,400 levels, which is the retracement zones in this case. So hope for the best, and today is a very good day. Those who are traded in Bank Nifty 31,800 put, you can see we entered here, and this was the breakout. Eventually it took support from here after breakout, and again it sustained above. So this was the range. Eventually it has given that range here as well. We can calculate it. That is around 140 points from this range. Okay, so currently from here to here, if you see, around 140 point is achieved, and it has given more than that, that is around 166 points it has given from this retracement level. Okay, so that's a very good move. Those who have taken this trade are in profit. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, guys. Keep trading. If there is anything else, I'll update you.